I'm on my way to go pick up the lip because, well, I didn't want to wait like 3 to 5 days, you know, when it's just like an hour away. Fuck it, I have to deal with the traffic though. Hour drive, you know, it's in West Covina, I believe. I think I'm in Baldwin Park, but it's like the same thing. Ooh, okay, so we got, look at that M3, okay. Nice. It's pretty cool in here. I got the lips, or the bumpers, whatever you want to fucking call them. So yeah, look at this shit. This is the first one I had. My parents were like, "Oh, you can maybe fix it." I'm like, "What?" There's no way I was gonna drive around with that. Or, you know, even if I were to fix it, there's just no way. It doesn't look too bad, honestly. It doesn't look, actually, the front, you know, this part right here, where it like hangs onto, it might have to be like taped down or you know, using the heat gun, whatever, like along the thing. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do this by myself unless my brother gets here soon. But right now, I'm gonna wash the car because she's dirty. Ew. Yeah, she's dirty. And then I'm gonna put on the bumpers, so see you guys in... It's fucking cold. I don't know how you guys do this. I don't know how you wash your car when it's fucking windy outside and it's like, what, maybe 52 degrees out here? It's never like this in LA. Never. Fuck, cold. Hey, give it back, dude. Really? Give it back. Put this lip on it first, which it gives it like a little, you know, aesthetic little touch to it. Look. Yeah, the car's already low. I mean, just the front. I heard the back is higher, like by 0.5 inches. The back is fine for now. What do you guys think of the color of my car? Leave a comment below to let me know what you guys think of the color. It is a rare 2001 green. It's like a jade. I think it's a jade. Something like that. So I'm just doing this for now, the lip. And then I was thinking about doing exhaust next. What do you guys think? I'm gonna do the exhaust next because, like I said, I'm already comfortable with how low the car is. I just want, you know, that touch. I just want that power. I want to hear what the 2J has, you know. I was thinking about getting like a cheap exhaust for now. Nothing too ricey. I don't want anything too loud. I just want to hear the 2J. I just want to hear the 2J like scream. All right, so let's put this shit on. Yo, look at that. Low life. Ooh, low life. Just kidding. Ah. Dude, I'm already fucking scraping. My finger can barely fit under there. What the fuck? Okay, so I don't know if I'm doing it right. Because this needs to go down. I think I'm doing it right. Do I touch it? Is that how it works? I had to grab my tripod so I can show you guys what I'm doing because my brother's not here to help me. What the fuck? Yeah, I honestly don't know how to really use this. Like, is there a certain pattern? You know, this bumper over here, was actually, it came out better than this, to be honest. You see how this is all right here? You see how it's like lifted up a little bit? This one wasn't so bad. Let's give this another shot. Okay, it's fucking cold outside. I am not used to this weather. It's fucking freezing. Yeah, sorry I couldn't record me putting it on because I had to charge my phone. Oh, yeah, I had my dad help me. But right now I had to take out the screws because what we did was we kind of like not overheated it, but we did kind of stretch out the lip too much. So basically you can kind of see a gap right here. You can see this gap. So it's supposed to be a little, if I can show you, it's supposed to be a little closer, but once I do that, you can see this little gap right here. So yeah, it looks good. I mean, this is how it looks, or this is how it's supposed to look, but I just got to fix those little minor adjustments. But yeah, it looks pretty fucking clean. If you guys want to know how low this is, if you have an iPhone X or iPhone 8 or maybe a 7, if you have your phone standing up, that's how low it is. You guys that have not put on the lip before, or you know, you're putting it on a Lexus IS300, or you know, I'm assuming it kind of works the same with other cars too. So this is how it works. Your bumper is not going to have pre-made holes already. I thought so too, but that was a rookie mistake. So I had to figure out where of the bumper was sticking out to just drill a hole, you know, screw it in. If you don't have anything to drill with, so what I did was I had my dad, or you know, get someone to hold it down. If you can't have anyone to hold it down for you, then just do it yourself. Just hold it down and screw it in, you know, drill a hole yourself, and then just screw it right into the bumper. Yeah, I saw this YouTube video where these guys, they put screws onto the bumper. It made it look so rice. It was so ugly. I don't know why they did that. They put double-sided tape, which I haven't done yet. Yeah, I stepped on the corner and I pulled it back like this, and then I used the gun here and all along here to give it that like nice corner snugged like that. Yeah. Ooh. It's not loose anymore, which is good. All it really needs now is just what is that, the double-sided tape, the 3M double-sided tape. That's what it recommended to me, so I want to give that a shot and try it out. Probably go buy some tomorrow because it's already getting late. But yeah, it looks good for now. Hopefully it'll last for tonight. I think what I have planned next for my car is maybe an exhaust. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get exhaust next, and then maybe some coilovers. And I don't know, I might plasti dip these stock rims. What do you guys think? I might plasti dip them to like a bronze color, like a really dark bronze color. I think that'd be really nice. Let's check it out. A bronze color with the green would just be really sick. But I don't want to be like too riced out, and I don't want to, you know, ruin the stock rims and, you know, just make it look ricey as fuck. Hopefully you guys can stay tuned. Make sure to follow my social media. I'll put everything in the link below. Leave a comment below to let me know what I should do next. Any suggestions, what I should do with the car. If you have any questions, please do ask, whatever, ask away, and I'll respond back. I might do some more like giveaways with my Drift District stickers, and I know you guys like free shit, so alright guys, I'll talk to you later. I love you, and see you guys next time.